Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to be transforming these slippers. I'm going to be taking these parts off because this slippers is new brand. I've never worn it before. You guys can look at the bottom of it. I've never worn this before, but somehow I actually put it down so long that it's all stripped up and it's very expensive. So what I'm going to be doing is to actually turn this shoes, this revamp it. So I actually measured all the way around here, and then I literally measured even the bottom part, and that's how I got these two pieces. These strips are 2 inches wide. I'm using this leatherette looking fabric. It's not actually leatherette, it's actually upholstery fabric that they mercerized to actually mimic the look of leatherette. And on this side it's actually microfiber because I kind of like sew them together and then flat stitch the ends. And then I have some straps, and these pieces are done in sizes. So this is what I have. I have 2 pieces that I cut for this, 2 pieces that I cut for this, 2 pieces for these areas, and 2 pieces for these areas. So I'm just going to show you guys how I'm going to be doing mine. So these are all of the things that you guys are going to be needing: your pieces, your glue, and of course your knife. This is what it's going to be looking like. I've been trying to scrape these off, but they're not coming off. But this is what it's going to be looking like. You can see where that comes off, and I'm going to take this part off. Just like pull it up and then just separating all of it. Alright, so I pulled the first piece through the back section, so I'm just going to apply my glue right there, and make sure you guys hold it down with your finger, just to hold it in place because you want to make sure that it's sound firm. This is what it's going to be looking like. So you're going to take the next end and you're going to put it onto that section. Just use some glue to hold it in place. This is what it's going to be looking like. So you want to make sure you test your toe in it, just make sure it's okay, and then apply the next section with some glue. Alrighty, make sure you guys press this down good with the glue, just the same, and then you can connect it to the next section using some glue as well. Alrighty. Alright, so it's gonna look something just like this. So you just make sure that you are correct. Try your foot in it and make sure it's good before you move on to the next section. Alright, so for this pieces, just measure and cut the pieces to make sure it fits your foot. And make sure you guys get the right angle. Don't be doing it on the wrong angle. And just glue that in place with the glue. And make sure, guys, to measure where you're gonna start and stop, so it's not too tight for your feet. And then you just glue down the next section. I just put a little mark in there. Don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah. So this is what it's gonna be looking like. Make sure you try your fit in at this point before you put the bottom on. Make sure it's not too tight, make sure it's just right, and then just apply your glue and you'll be done with that one. So this is what it's going to be looking like. I decided not to put any straps on because I don't need it. I just like the way how this look. I tried it on my feet. It feels nice too. So we do the same thing to the next one and you are done. So you have glued both of them. Make sure you guys try your foot in it. Make sure that it's right for your foot and it's not too tight, because once it's glued, it's glued. So I decided to put these little things on them because, yeah, I kind of had them lying around and I just kind of wanted to not make it look so plain, but I liked it. Anyways, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. It's a cute idea you guys can use. If you know you don't want to touch your new brand slippers out, I didn't wear mine, so why not? So anyways, guys, look me up on Facebook at Cecelias Design, Instagram at Cecelias Design, and do not forget to check me out here on my other channel at MDMA TV, and I'll see you guys again on the next video. Bye guys. Yeah.